Welcome back to Market Pros. Alright, so here we got Bitcoin on the 1 hour on Bybit. Alright, so your RSI seems to be heading up to the bullish control zone. You are above the signal line. You will stay above the signal line as long as you're above 39,512. So we're not too far away, but I mean, at least we are above it. So your MACD, pretty fresh cross to the zero line, bullish. Your MACD line is above the signal line, pretty sharp upside curvature. Your positive momentum is increasing. Vol seems to be expanding from the lower zone. You're still in the lower zone, but looks like you are coming back up to the moving average. So could be picking up here real soon. We're going to zoom out and then we're going to come back in. I want to show you the 5-day. Okay, so this MACD, if this crosses to the downside, that's not going to look good. And it's going to continue falling below as long as we're below 47.59. It'll continue to fall down. And to cross the EMA signal line, we would have to get back below 37,585. So we are pretty good away from that. So I mean, it would take another 10 days, about 2 weeks to cross that if we are going to cross it. Your vol is in the lower zone. Doesn't seem like it's really expanding yet. I mean, on the 5-day, you're kind of in a range. Let's move down to the daily. Oh, by the way, your RSI was riding the bearish control zone, the top of it. All right, so your RSI is testing the top of the bearish control zone. Last time we got rejected. We are above the signal line. Let's see, do we have any divergences? We do. We have bullish divergence, and that's what has played out so far. Let's see if this move could potentially already be played out. Let's go to the measure. So from a wick to wick, got a 5% move. I think we have a little more in it, possibly up to the 21. Maybe, yeah, maybe a 7% move, maybe up to 4,500. Let's see, your MACD, you are below the signal line, but your negative momentum is decreasing. You'll continue rising above as long as we're above 39,095. You will cross it if we get to about 41K. You will cross it to the upside. Vol is in the lower zone. It is expanding off of a dark blue printed signal. We're not quite above the moving average just yet, so the vol is still pretty low. I mean, like I said, you're kind of in a range. You had a nice little bull trap there. So yeah, let's move down to the 8-hour. All right, so your 8-hour, you got lower highs, lower lows, but your RSI did come out of the bearish control zone. You are above the signal line. You're testing the neutral median line right now. Basically the same numbers as we was looking at before, 39,000 to, let's see, we'd have to get below 39,000 in order to cross that signal line and get back into the bearish control zone, which would not look good. We basically need to stay above where we're at. I think 39,500 is basically the line in the sand, basically this purple region right here. So in order to remain bullish, we need to stay above this purple region. Let's see here, MACD, fresh cross to the upside, but you had a little bull trap right there on the MACD, basically right here where it barted. So once again, you do have bullish divergence, but this move probably already played out because it's just on the 8-hour. Let's move down to the 4-hour. So you are testing the 50 right now. I think you could come up to the 100 at basically 4100. You are in the neutral median zone, above the neutral median line, above the signal line right now on the 4-hour RSI. Once again, bullish divergence, but this move probably already played out. Your MACD, fresh cross to the upside. Once again, have bullish divergence on the MACD, and your positive momentum is increasing. Your vol is heading down to the lower zone, so your vol is kind of depleting. Volatility. That's what vol means, is volatility, by the way. Let's go down to the 1 hour and zoom in. Okay, so kind of been chopping around here, moving slightly up and to the right. RSI trying to get up to that bullish control zone above the signal line, above the neutral median line. Still in the neutral zone though. MACD, positive momentum is getting a break, starting to increase a little bit. You do have pretty good upside curvature on the MACD. Vol's in the lower zone, but it seems to be expanding. So basically, validation of the upside would be to get back above this last high where it barred at 4,600 on a 1 hour closure. Validation of the downside would be to drop below this 50 and this 21 right here at the bottom of this purple box at 39,150. And those are my thoughts for Bitcoin. If you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, tell me how I can improve, leave constructive criticism. Yeah, I mean, everybody have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.